Hello guys, I will be showing you a video of these birds. See them? Alright. Okay. So probably you can't see them so well, but probably Alright, okay. See them? There's also a cat who was trying to eat them, but then I scared the cat away. So that, oh, you see that red, you see that blue robin? Oh dear.